Welcome to our comprehensive tour of CAD plotter paper production. Watch as we transform raw materials into high-quality paper with precision. From rolling and cutting to using specialized lights for quick drying. Every step is handled by advanced machinery, with our skilled workers ensuring seamless operations. Watch as the finished paper is carefully lifted and stored in our warehouse ready for shipment. Our CAD plotter paper is compatible with leading inkjet printers, including HP, Canon and Epson, delivering stunning print quality with vibrant, stable colors. It's the top choice for engineers. For more details and to explore our product range, get in touch with us today. We are here to provide the perfect plotting paper solutions for you.